I am so excited about today's dish. Why? Because this is a fusion of two different cuisines that are really popular. Each one is popular by itself. One is Mexican and the other one is, Asian or Japanese, think Chinese, like that. Actually, it's kind of a Korean sauce I'm using. So it's a mixture, a fusion of Asian plus Mexican for double the flavor. We are making a vegan cream cheese enchilada with a spicy Asian sauce. Now this dish is really filling and we're gonna be making a vegan meat. And our base for that is gonna be texturized soy. So here to a hot pan, I'm just gonna be adding, I have some mild vegetable oil in here, and then I'm gonna be putting in our texturized soy. So we're actually, in a sense, dry frying this, and then we're gonna be adding our delicious taco spices. Now, these taco spices are your own mix. You can buy taco spices, or I've made my own blend. So this has chili in there, garlic powder, onion flakes, cumin, and oregano. Now I have a really fine grain of texturized soy here. Some of them are larger, totally up to you. But I can smell these when they're starting to almost burn. They're just getting dark brown. And that's when I want to put in my spices. You want to make sure that you don't have them, of course, go to black or burning, and then you just want to drop in your water, and this will all be done when all the liquid is absorbed. So now our meat is done, and now we're going to amp up this flavor and really take this to the next level. Now I'm going to be adding some basic salsa. You can make your own, but it's completely up to you. This is just a jarred salsa to make it very, very easy. And then here is my Go-Bouchon sauce that I was talking about. So in here are spicy peppers, as well as soy sauce and ginger and a whole bunch of other fantastic flavors. And you can put as much or as little in there as you like. And this is gonna give just some fantastic, there's also miso in here. This is gonna really amp up our flavor quotient. And again, we're melding, we're blending, we're fusing Mexico and Asia. Now remember, I did talk about this dish being creamy. So here we're gonna be using our Violife, our Upfield cream cheese product. This is 100% vegan. It's very creamy, very decadent. And we're gonna be mixing this in to our sauce to make this creamy and oh so rich and decadent. Just gonna blend this all in. So now our meat sauce is done, and here I have some of the Violife cheddar cheese shreds, and I'm going to be putting in each one of these and rolling it up. I have a little in an oven-proof pan here. I just have a little bit of our salsa on the bottom, and then now you're going to use some flour tortillas. Now, if you want to make this gluten-free, of course you could use corn tortillas, but I really like the flour tortillas. It's more classic. So you just want to take some of your filling here. Put as much or as little as you like in. We are going to be rolling these. This is so decadent, so delicious already. And then we want to put about a tablespoon of the cheese in here. And then you're going to be rolling these up and putting these in to bake these enchiladas. So I'm going to finish these off, and I'll show you how we're going to do this at the very end. So now you can see I have these all rolled out. We're going to just put the last bit of our sauce on top, and then we're going to finish this off with some more of the cheese and bake this in the oven. So here we have our delicious enchiladas straight out of the oven. Don't those look fantastic? I'm just going to top these off with a little bit of fresh scallions, also known as green onions, and a little bit of cilantro, just for some color, some added flavor. Don't those look incredible? So here you have it, our creamy fusion Mexican Asian cream cheese and cheese enchiladas with texturized soy. I will tell you, in my humble opinion, the more messy something is, the more delicious it is. And these are very, very messy, but I promise you, they will deliver a big pack of punch of flavor into your tummy.